नमस्कार। एक बार फिर से सीटेट की कुछ चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी के क्वेश्चन के साथ मैं पांडे रश्मि आपका वापस से स्वागत करती हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टर्म करिकुलम इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन रिफर्स टू ऑप्शन ए मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग एंड द कंटेंट टू बी taught, overall program of the school with student experience on a day-to-day basis, evaluation process, text material to be used in the class. Answer is 2. Overall program of the school with student experience on a day-to-day basis. Second question is, at lower classes, play-way method of teaching is based on theory of physical education programs, principle of method of teaching, psychological principle of development and growth, and sociological principle of teaching. Answer is 3. Psychological principles of development and growth. Third question is, a young child responds to a new situation on the basis of the response made by him or her in a similar situation as in the past. This is related to A. Law of analogy of learning, law of effect of learning, law of attitude of learning process, and law of readiness of learning. Answer is 2. Law of effect of learning. Fourth question is, dyslexia is associated with mental disorder, mathematical disorder, रीडिंग डिसऑर्डर या बिहेवियर डिसऑर्डर. आंसर इज 3. रीडिंग डिसऑर्डर. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, एजुकेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन विथ स्पेशल नीड्स शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड ए along with other normal children, by method developed for special children in the special schools, in special school, by special teachers in special schools. Answer is first, along with other normal children. Sixth question is, to make assessment a useful and interesting process, one should be careful about making comparisons between different students, labeling students as intelligent or average learners, using a variety of ways to collect information about the students' learning across the scholastic and co-scholastic boundaries, using technical language to give feedback. Answer is 3. Using a variety of ways to collect information about the students' learning across the scholastic and co-scholastic boundaries. Next question is, blank is not considered a sign of being gifted. Creative ideas, fighting with others, novelty in expression, or curiosity. Answer is second, fighting with others. Children actively construct their understanding of the world is a statement attributed to Piaget, Pavlov, Kohlberg, or Skinner. Answer is 1. Piaget. Ninth one, Kritika, who does not talk much at home, talks a lot at school. It shows that first, the school provides opportunities to children to talk a lot. Second, teacher demand that children should talk a lot at school. Third one, she does not like her home at all. Fourth, her thought get acknowledged. Fourth, her thoughts get acknowledged at school. Answer is 4. Her thought get acknowledged at school. 10th one, a teacher should make an attempt to understand the personalities of her or his students. Which of the following field is related to this objective? Educational sociology, social philosophy, media psychology, or educational psychology? Answer is fourth, educational psychology. Next question is motivation in the process of learning. First, sharpens the memory of learners. Second, differentiates new learning from old learning. Third, makes learner think unidirectionally. Fourth, create interest for learning among young learners. Answer is fourth, create interest for learning among young learners. 12th one, learning can be enriched if situations from the real world are brought into the class in which students interact with each other and the teacher facilitates. Second, more and more teaching aids are used in the class. Teachers use different types of lectures and explanations. Due attention is paid to periodic tests in the class. Answer is first, situations from the real world are brought into the classes in which students interact with each other and the teacher facilitates. Next question is which of the following statements cannot be considered as the feature of the process of learning? Educational institutions are only place where learning takes place. Second one, learning is comprehensive process. Third one, learning is goal oriented. Fourth, unlearning is also a learning process. Answer is first, educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. Next question is a student of V grade with visual deficiency should be first excused to do a lower level of work. Second, help with his or her routine work by parents and friends. Third, treated normally in the classroom and the provided support through audio CDs. And fourth one, given special treatment to the classroom. Answer is 3. Treated normally in the classroom and provided support through audio CDs. Next question is which of the following should be considered the most important quality of teacher at primary level? First, eagerness to teach. Second is patience and perseverance. Third, competence in method of teaching and knowledge of subjects. Fourth one, competence to teach in highly standardized language. Answer is second, patience and perseverance. Next question is the stage in which a child begins to think logically about objects and events is known as first, sensory motor stage, formal operational stage, pre-operational stage or concrete operational stage. Answer is concrete operational stage, fourth one. Next question is a teacher, because of his or her democratic nature, allows students to sit all over the class. Some sit together and discuss or do group reading. Some sit quietly and read themselves. A parent does not like it. Which of the following may be the best way to handle the situation? Parents should complain against the teacher to the principal. Parents should request the principal to change the section of their word. Third, parents should show third, parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. Fourth, parents should take away the child from that school. Answer is third, parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe my channel.